看那里，没那，有点气。
Now you get off.
Yeah,
that's the trouble. I got the bike. Don't worry about the bike.
I am one of the most clumsiest people you'll ever meet, I'll tell you, ask him. Do you want me to help on the back?
Yeah, I'm alright. Y'all gonna see, y'all gonna
Go ahead. You want to hop on right on here?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Keep my feet dry. A bit, look, just lay there. Don't move.
Well, that's what I tried to do, jump on it and then drive off, but it didn't work. I tried to put it that.
Right, you got it. You got it?
I got it.
Don't let go. Right, that's first.
Whoa, it's there, do it again. That was lucky.
Made the big 46 of it.